evening, morning, afternoon to all my friends, subscriber, collector, evaluator, museum analysis to our GR treasure show. Tonight I'm going to talk on our authentic Holy Grail chicken stamp cup. Question: why is it Holy Grail? It's because it's gold grid. Most of the time, Emperors are served with gold grid stamp cup or rich chicken cup. However, porcelain chicken cups are used by Emperor relatives, friends, families. Why is this cup so unique? It's because this chicken stamp cup is made of gold grid. I'm now going to switch screen, check on the dead air bubbles and the black speck and measure the diameter or radius in micron. So you wait a while. We are back after the switching screen. So now we're going to capture the dead air bubbles and microns. Hope you can see from the camera. So here you have a lot of bubble. Can see a lot of bubble. Also black speck. Okay. So now I'm going to capture the picture here. This picture back to here. So we increase little bit of brightness and see the picture. Save. Then we use the radius symbol to capture the black speck. Okay. And capture the black speck. Give the black speck. And see according to different emperor, different region, the bubbles sizes and the pattern are different. Come up with a statistic to share with my subscriber, my buyers, how to prove this is authentic. Thank you for listening and thank you for your time for watching. Please subscribe if